Hi, this is Herman Chan and welcome to my new listing at 601 Van Ness, otherwise known as Opera Plaza in the city of San Francisco. I think this unit is just absolutely darling. It's sun-drenched, the layout is functional. You walk in, to your left is an entryway closet, a full bathroom, and then a lovely remodeled kitchen that opens up over to the dining area and the open living room. And then to the right is an alcove bedroom, all of which are sun-drenched. And plenty of mirrors all around, which make the place even look twice as big as it already is. What I love about Opera Plaza is the convenience factor. It's a 99 walk score, so plenty of things to do. A straight shoot to downtown, to the opera, to the symphony, to the freeway. There's never a lack of things to do. And even within the actual Opera Plaza complex, all the top floors are units and condos with 24-hour security, pool, spa, and a fitness gym. And then on the street level are plenty of businesses such as diners and the bookstore, also a UPS store as well, and Peets. And then on the basement level is a huge garage for residents and for guests. So you're never gonna have any problems finding a parking space. This unit makes for a fantastic pied-à-terre starter home, or even a downsizing home or rental. Call me anytime for a showing. I'm happy to tell you more about it. All right, take care now. Bye.